Polaris Docs. So this is a combination of tools that includes Docs, highly versatile version that is very similar to the combination of the Microsoft Word and the Google Docs. It is very versatile word processing software that allows you to work on your documents wherever you are. Not only it is advisable as computer software, but it also has a dedicated web browser version and even the app version suitable for Android and iOS smartphones. So collaboration is guaranteed with such versatility, and when it comes down to getting the work done, Polaris Docs supports all types of the documents, including sheets, slides, and many more. And saved documents can be worked on in groups, meaning that more than one person can edit this document in real time. So this is very good for teamwork. And if you ever decide to collaborate on a document with someone, you can invite them with a link and keep the communication open with integrated chat in the Polaris Docs. And you can also use this for the management. And feature-wise, Polaris Docs is packed with the most standard features you would expect from a word processing software, and yet the main improvement is the way you can collaborate with others and work on the same document in real time. So we have also this Write Monkey. This Write Monkey might look like a coding interface at first, but it is a stripped down word processing software that helps you focus on your writing. Of course, Write Monkey is also ideal for making quick edits and even reading. This is probably one of the lightest and the smallest word processing software that is very easy to install and even easier to get used to. So what's also great is that you have full control over the interface to customize it to your needs. On top of that, you can set time writing or even feature a visual progress bar to make your writing work feel like a breeze. And if you ever end up missing something in Write Monkey, you can always introduce third-party upgrades to the word processing software via plugins. We have also the Dropbox Paper. So this is a lightweight web-based word processing software that allows simple editing and collaboration between teams. With Dropbox Paper, you can create documents from scratch or import existing documents to easily track any edits or changes made by your team members. On top of that, with this light word processing software, you can keep everything organized, ensure feedback is properly given, and even improve your documents. So you can do also most everything in Dropbox Paper that you would do in other word processing software. However, Paper can also serve as a co-editing software. So whether you're trying to improve communication in your team, improve collaboration between team members, or you're writing a book with your partner, so Paper is the place to stay productive, organized, and efficient. We have also the Scribus. If you require professional word processing software to handle your business or work documents or edit or prepare your book from publishing, Scribus is the great choice. So especially for the business. So even though it's a bit different from standard word processing software, it allows you to choose one of the design layouts, set your typesetting, and even improve your written documents with professional looking quality images. So this is very important and very useful for the businessman. So with this, you can also create animations that you can place directly inside your document. So, or you can turn your text documents into interactive PDF presentations. On top of that, the creation of forms or questionnaires is very simple with open type support. So you can now edit your existing documents with advanced features such as advanced typography and It is a great fit for simple editing and personal documents. It excels at creating magazine covers, newspapers from pages, preparing the books for publishing, and even manufacturing artwork. So it might not be the standard word processing software most people are looking for, but it will fit professional needs easily for a very fair price. Okay, so we have also the software free office text maker. So when you need a simple word processing software, this is a great stepping stone that won't cost you anything. And yet it includes almost everything you might need for personal or business use. So in the free office, you will get text maker included. Text maker is a small but efficient word processing software that allows you to create all types of documents and edit existing documents that you can easily import. So that's the free office text maker. Okay, so last two, we have here the Zoho Docs Writer. So what is this? So this is a perfect example of an online word processing software that is easy to use and easy to access. Yet, in return, you will get very reliable and advanced features you can use on any of your documents. So the writer allows you to focus on your words in a distraction-free interface. Yet, you can work with others in an effortless documenting or document sharing. With the most standard features, you would expect a word processing software back in the interface, and you can access via the web browser and even get unlimited versions of your documents. We have also this, actually this is the last example, the Google Docs. This is one of the most reliable web-based word processing software that most others in this space that you can get your hands on. So along with these sheets, slides, and forms, Docs allows you to not only create documents from scratch or import and edit existing documents, but it also allows you to store all your documents in the cloud for free. And you can easily access your documents from any device as long as you're signed out in your Google account, and yet you will easily get used to the functionality and features of the Docs. And on top of that, Docs is very flexible, so you can export them in any different formats, just the way you can import documents. However, one thing to keep in mind is that you will need an internet connections at all times to access your documents or work on them. So, which is the most popular word processing? So that's it for the topic word processing. So now, what is the spreadsheets? So let us talk about the spreadsheets. Okay, for the spreadsheets, this is a tool that is used to store, manipulate, and analyze data. Data in a spreadsheet is organized in series of rows and columns and can be searched, sorted, calculated, and used in a variety of charts and graphs. The true power of the spreadsheet is its ability to handle complex mathematical calculations and automatically recalculate totals as underlying data and the sheets changes. So as an engineer, this is really useful. The spreadsheets are very useful because we can calculate and manipulate and analyze data very simple, especially for statistics and for estimations purposes. Also for the finance, this is very useful. So in all aspects of the business, we need these spreadsheets. Okay, so let us discuss further the uses of these spreadsheets. So the three most common general uses of the spreadsheet software are to create budgets, produce graphs and charts, and for sorting and sorting data. storing and sorting data. Within business, spreadsheet software is used to forecast for future performance, calculate tasks, completing basic payroll, producing charts, and calculating revenues. So the list of uses of spreadsheet software is endless. However, here is the short list of uses. So we have modeling and planning, household finance planning, business accounts and budgeting, invoices, wages, predictions or simulations, calculations such as adding, subtracting, and even break-even analysis, statistical analysis, creating graphs, bar chart, pie chart, collecting data from different sources, phone numbers, prices, explored and internet data in order to draw conclusions for business. So here's the advantages of the spreadsheets. So the spreadsheets are preferable to manual calculations and recording of data for a variety of reasons. One very obvious reason is the unlimited space allowed to the user by the spreadsheets, hence the name. So here's the other advantages include the calculations are very correct. Okay, calculations are completed automatically, information is organized and easy to access, and information is easy to edit if a mistake has been made by retyping or using undo. Data can be easily sorted and filtered, and data can be quickly analyzed. Reports can be made more visual by using charts and graphs. So here's the suitable applications for creating a spreadsheet. So the following are the applications or programs which can be used to create spreadsheets: the Microsoft or Excel, which is very common to us, the Lotus 123, SuperCalc, Quadro Pro, and pwede din yung Google Sheets. Okay? So here are the features of the spreadsheet. So there are a number of features that are available in Excel, make your task easier. Some of the main features are: first is the auto sum that helps you to add the contents of the cluster of adjacent cells. And this autofill, this is automatically extends cell formatting when a new item is added to the end of a list. We have also autofill, allows you to quickly fill cells with repetitive or sequential data such as chronological dates or numbers and repeated text. Autofill can also be used to copy functions, and you can also alter text and numbers with this feature. We have also the auto shapes toolbar, and will allow you to draw a number of geometrical shapes, arrows, flowchart, elements, stars, and more. With these shapes, you can draw your own graphs. We have also the wizard, and this guides you to work effectively while you work by displaying various helpful tips and techniques based on what you are doing. And we have drag and drop. It will help you to reposition the data and text by simply dragging the data with the help of mouse. Charts. It will help you to presenting a graphical representation of your data in the form of pie, bar, line, charts, and more. And we have also the pivot table. It flips and sums data in seconds and allows you to perform data analysis and generating reports like periodic financial statements, statistical reports, and you can also analyze complex data relationships graphically. We have also the shortcut menus, and these commands that are appropriate to the task that you are doing will appear by clicking the right. Okay, so let's have a quick activity time, and this will be part of your attendance proof for this week. So you need to open your spreadsheet, Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheets that you have, and try to explore and familiarize your spreadsheet. So this time you can open it, or later you can open it and you need to familiarize it. And list down at least 5 commands and found out the uses of these commands. And do this in short Kanban computerized, short Kanban sizes. Then send this as proof of your attendance. So that's